There's a calm that starts inside when I stop pulling sides. No one standing over me, no one left behind to lead. When I trust my inner state, balance forms without debate. What I hold becomes the tone that ripples outward on its own. Harmony is not control, it's every part becoming whole. When I'm steady in my space, peace organizes into place. This is equilibrium, living from inner peace. When I stand in my own balance, the world can gently breathe. No hierarchy to climb, no power taken away. Each person trusted with their part, and order finds its way. In connection, truth is shared, nothing hidden, nothing spared. Intimacy opens the door to a balance we can feel for sure. When I take care of what I feel, the group becomes more real. Empowered hearts begin to see how harmony builds naturally. This is equilibrium, a steady living field where each voice holds responsibility, and nothing must be sealed. Creative freedom finds its ground when trust is fully grown. The whole becomes intelligent because each stands alone. From top to base, just people meeting face to face, self-organizing into flow, because inner peace already knows. This is equilibrium, a model born of care. I live the balance I wish to see, and it forms everywhere. When each person owns their role,